You open your eyes. You look at your phone. And you say to yourself, I wake up at 7 a.m. Wait, stop. Why does your English sound like a robot? Why do you feel bored even when talking about your own life? You've studied grammar for years, but you still can't describe the feeling of a morning coffee or the stress of a busy street. Today, let's change that. I will show you how to make your daily life sound alive. Let's talk. Usually, my day doesn't start with a to-do list. It starts with a struggle. The alarm clock goes off at 6:30. I don't get up immediately. I lie in bed for 5 minutes. I listen to the birds. I think about the dreams I just had. Then, I finally drag myself out of bed. I know. It's hard for you too, right? I head to the kitchen. The house is silent. The light is soft. I kick off my morning with a large glass of water. Then comes the best part. The coffee machine starts to hum. The smell of roasted beans fills the room. This is my me time. No emails, no news. Just me and the morning light. Around 8 o'clock, the world starts to wake up. I see people rushing past my window. They look tired. They look like they are running late. I grab my bag and I set off for work. I don't just go to work. I step into the flow of the city. Sometimes I run into a neighbor. We don't talk much, just a quick morning and a smile. But that small connection, it makes the day feel warm. By 11 a.m., the afternoon slump is coming. My brain starts to zone out. I look at the computer screen, but I see nothing. So, I take a break. I catch up on some messages from friends. It helps me recharge. When the sun goes down, the energy changes. I wind down by walking in the park. The air is cooler now. I think about what went well and what I want to do better tomorrow. I don't say I finished my work. I say I'm letting go of the day. It feels good. Did you notice something? I didn't use many big words, but the story felt real. Let's look at 3 expressions I used. First, go off. In the story, I said the alarm clock goes off. We use this for sounds. Your phone goes off. The fire alarm goes off. It's much more natural than saying the alarm started to ring. It sounds active. Second, zone out. This is my favorite. Have you ever been in a meeting and suddenly you are thinking about pizza? Your eyes are open, but your brain is gone. That is zoning out. I'm sorry, I zoned out for a second. It's a very common, very human expression. Third, wind down. Think of a clock. You turn the key and it gets tight. To wind down is to let that tension go. At the end of a long day, you need to relax. Maybe you read a book. Maybe you listen to music. You are winding down. It's not just resting. It's a process of becoming calm. You see, English is not a test. It is a bridge. When you describe your day, don't worry about being correct. Focus on being present. If you can describe your morning coffee with feeling, you are already a better speaker than someone who knows 1,000 big words. Your life is a story. Learn to tell it simply. Before you go, I have a small task for you. Don't worry, it's easy. Go to the comments below. Tell me one thing that makes you zone out during the day. Is it a boring meeting or a beautiful sunset? I will read every single one. I'm Clara. Thank you for spending your me time with me. Until next time, keep listening and keep feeling.